Hi all, in this video I am going to share you guys a tutorial to super slow down clip in DaVinci Resolve. For this we are going to use SpeedWarp mode available in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, if your clip that are slowing down got lot of motion, you need to change one simple settings. For that, open your project settings, head over to master settings, frame interpolation, motion range, change that to larger. If there is not that much motion, you can change that to medium. If there is no motion or very less motion, you can change that to small. Another thing I want to mention is that this SpeedWarp mode is very processor intensive theme. So that if you are using SpeedWarp mode, the chance of your resolve hanging or lagging is very high. But in this video, I am going to show you guys a simple trick so that you can still utilize this SpeedWarp without hanging your PC. First of all, cut all the unnecessary parts from the clip that you are slowing down. Only keep the portion that you are slowing down. We are doing this to reduce the load on our system while using the SpeedWarp mode. So after cutting the videos, slow down the clip like you do regularly based on how much you want to slow down the clip. After that, head over to Inspector tab, Retime and Scaling, Motion Estimation, and change that to SpeedWarp. After that, don't play the clip as the chance of your system hanging is very high. Instead, just right click the clip, choose Render in Place. From the format, change it to the format that you are going to use to render out the project. Then select the location, save it, wait till the render to complete. Then you can play the clip and you can see the power of SpeedWarp. So that's it. That's all about this simple video, guys. Simple video to super slow down clip on your DaVinci Resolve. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.